Proper maintenance of your Biosonic sous vide unit is essential to maintain peak performance and ensure safe and efficient operation. This video will cover how to maintain your unit at the beginning of the day, between patients, end of the day and week, and monthly preventative maintenance. Beginning of the day. At the beginning of each day, run the automatic cleaning cycle with clean water for both the scaler and polisher. When using the scaler side, the cleaning function must always be performed with the tip mounted and water flow fully open. Place the handpiece over the cuspidor bowl or sink. With the sous vide unit in standby mode, press the C key, then the S key for the scaler, or P key for polisher to start the 80-second automatic cleaning cycle. The light on the unit will blink through the whole process and is complete when the light turns off. The unit is now ready for your first patient. Between patients. Start by placing your selected handpiece over the cuspidor bowl or sink. When using the polisher, you must air purge the polisher handpiece between each patient. Once you are finished with the polisher, remain in your working mode and press the C key to begin the air purge. If the air purge is not performed, the indicator next to the C key will flash repeatedly as a reminder. The air purge cycle will take approximately 20 seconds when performed between patients. Remove all tips, nozzles, and grips to wipe down the unit and put in an ultrasonic bath for at least 3 minutes. End of the day, weekly clean. If you have used medicaments throughout the day, press the decompression button on the side for 3 seconds to remove the medicament bottle. Pour out the medicament and replace with water. Next, repeat the 80-second automatic cleaning cycle. With the unit in standby mode, remove water from the medicament bottle and run the 80-second automatic cleaning cycle to purge any water left in the lines. This should be done on both the scaler and polisher. Remove and wash all accessories and wipe down the unit with a surface disinfectant suitable for hard plastics. Monthly preventative maintenance. Unscrew the powder container, emptying any residual powder, and wipe clean with a soft cloth. Fill the chamber with 1 teaspoon of citric acid powder and water to the max level. The citric acid will dissolve quickly. If citric acid is unavailable, you may use undiluted pure white vinegar instead. Remove the polisher cap and connect a small yellow tube, approximately 40 millimeters long, to the powder outlet. Reattach the cap to the unit and screw the powder chamber back on. Run the automatic cleaning cycle twice with citric acid, then flush with water and air purge the lines by running the 80-second cleaning cycle at least 3 times. Place all nozzles in a citric acid bath overnight. Make sure to always change the tip immediately after use if there is a tendency of clogging. Finally, lubricate the O-rings regularly with a glycerin-based water-soluble solution.